Hello, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and into this video we are going to quickly look at how we can design this football poster on your screen. Okay, how to design this poster that you have on your screen using this Arsenal new forward Viktor Gyokeres. All right, so you can go to Pinterest to download some of these pictures, so you have it there, so you can download it. And thanks for Pinterest, that's why I downloaded most of my stock images. All right, so if you look closely, this is how those pictures, the two pictures I downloaded from Pinterest, came out. All right, so this is not the way I downloaded it. So this is how the picture came out. So I was able to get rid of the background, as you can see in both pictures. So I was able to get rid of the background. So if you don't know how to get rid of background or remove background from picture, I think that means you haven't subscribed to my channel, because I made a video on how you can remove background from your pictures, that's using CorelDraw, and equally made a video on how to remove background from picture using Photoshop. So all these tutorial I've made a video on all this. So just go to my channel and look for the video, and search for the video and go and watch. Okay, so this is the final result when I remove the background. Okay, so this is the one we are going to use. All right, so let's go. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to quickly move this away. I usually keep it somewhere closer so that we can see what we are doing, all right, to compare if we are doing the right thing or not. All right, so the size I'm using here is 1080 by 1080 pixels. So this is where you can change, because I think the default is always inches, so you can change it to pixel and then come here and then 1080 by 1080 impute it here. So okay, so like this is just the working area. So I'm just going to draw a rectangle like this. All right, and then change this thing to 1080, all right, by 1080. Okay, press enter. So when you look closely, you see that we have an outline. So just come up here, right click on this icon, this stroke, that thing you see, stroke, and then click set outline. Okay, just click on this and then press letter P on your keyboard. Press letter P on your keyboard to centralize. All right, then the next thing you are going to do is to bring this guy over there, over here, that's right in the middle. And the next thing you are going to do, just come to this place and pick your pen tool. All right, just pick your pen tool and then draw like this. It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, just move around. All we need is just to get to trim up the head so that we can use it for what we are doing. So it doesn't have to be perfect. That's it, just like this. Alright, move away, click and move away. That's what you can do with pen tools. And then make sure that you end where you started, just so that you'll be able to get the right angle. Now reduce this to this hairline. Okay, and then click here to convert to curve. So now all you need to do, you click here in the middle here and then convert it. Just click here to convert to curve. So either you click there, you right click, and then you convert to curve. Okay, so either you click and you convert to curve, or you come here and just click here. But I've already done that. So all I need to do is to click and drag, something like this. All right, you just click and drag. I think this is how you're gonna do it. Just click and drag, click and drag and move away, click and drag and move away. All right, just click here. Like I said, you right click on to curve, convert to curve, then you come to the middle and click and drag to adjust it. Okay, because as you can see, we still have black here. So all you need to do, click, or you click here, or you right click and convert to curve. All right, convert it to curve. And like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect, because yeah, So all I need to do is to select both of them. So select the objects that we have here, then click and select this guy. So now come to this place. You can see that your property bar is active. We call this property bar, all right, this thing there, this active stuff that you see over here. So you just come to this one that says intersect, click on it. So once you click on intersect, you have something like this. Okay, just move the head, right? Delete this one. You can equally delete this one. So this is the one we need. I hope you understand. So so you bring this guy somewhere here, and yeah. So the next thing you are going to do after doing that, just come to bitmap, click on mode, then convert this to grayscale. Just click on grayscale. So you will have something like this, right? That's not difficult, is it? I don't think it is. So the next thing we are going to do, we have already have this guy. I told you remove the background. So you bring him here, reduce it, and bring it to this place, just like this. Then you can give it just scale it up a little bit, and then bring it down like that. It's too big. I don't think so. I think it's fine. Just leave it somewhere here. All right, leave it somewhere there. And yeah, I think yeah, it looks perfect. So the next thing we are going to make, if you look closely over here, you can see we are going to make a shadow. You know, all these things is called shadow. So we are going to create that shadow. But before then, if you look closely as well, you can see this color of the background is not the same as this one. This one is pure white, and this one is it's not completely white. So all we need to do, we need to copy this color. So you come down here and click on this color eyedropper tool to pick the color, to pick this color, then pick this color, and then come here and click here. All right, that's not difficult. How do you get the color? If you want to apply that color, if you look closely, when you look at the eyedropper tool, when immediately you click this eyedropper tool, you can see this place that says #ed, and you just look at the eyedropper tool, you can see where it's written #EDF2FA. That's the code of that color. So what you need to do, you just double click on this place. Once you double click here, you have you have this drop down menu. So this is where you come and then you put that code #EDF2F4, then click on OK. Once you click on OK, you have this background. Okay, that is the code of this background. All right. So let's quickly take care of the what's it called, shadow. Okay, so all you need to do, remove the outline, draw what I did here is to draw a ellipse, like a circle. All right, and then give it a black color, then convert, go to bitmap, go to effect. All right, then click on blur, click on Gaussian blur. All right, and then you have something like this, guys. Click on Gaussian blur. Okay, it's over here. Where are you there? Why are you jumping up and down? Okay, so now we have it over here. So you use this radio, use this thing to move around, all this whatever, to toggle here and up and down. All right, just to increase or reduce the shadow. All right, so I think like this is just perfect. I will click on OK, then reduce it and move it somewhere here. See, I just reduced it and it went completely blank. So the next thing, I'm just going to go back again and let's go and increase it. Okay, because it's not obvious at all. So I'm going to increase it like this. Yeah, let's leave it like this. Then click on OK, then reduce it again, leave it there. All right, so you can just copy this one and place it right here and increase it. All right, increase it like this. All right, increase it like this. Yeah, and send it to the back of his boot. Like, what you need to do, control page down, you take it to the I'll take it down, control page down. All right, I think like this is just fine. Yeah, the next thing I'm going to do is just to type what I have over here. The games, number of games he played, the goals he has scored, assist, and all of that. So his name, club stats, okay, all of this. So yeah, so basically this is how I designed this football poster using CorelDraw. So if you have any question, drop me a comment under the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.